Hey guys, welcome back to Big Sis vs. Little Sis. Well, today we're going to be trying one recipe or some recipes that from slime that you guys have comment down below. And Julie, scoot over, please. Okay. Well, all you need for this is some soap. I can't use this one, but I actually can use this one. This is already mine. And you need some salt. And tools, you need a spoon, whatever spoon you have, or and something to mix in a bowl or something to put your things on. First, we're gonna start putting the dishes soap. Dishes soap. And then you're going to pour as much as you can. I'm going to pour a little bit right now because I don't know if this recipe is actually going to work. If you guys already know if this is going to work, well, I don't think for me it's going to work. Oh, this smells disgusting. Did I even put some?
I want to eat that.
Oh, I'm right there.
I don't want to eat that.
Did I actually put some? Stop! Just right here in the freaking salt.
Hello, boy.
Is it even come out? Well, like for real. I'm like with a freaking thing right here. So you're going to mix. And then when you do that, you're going to use some toothpaste. I have already poured this. I found this one. This is my baby brother's.
Yeah.
It's ready to open.
Go, Mama.
It's not going to work from here.
Mama.
I open it.
Okay, Mama.
I'm like tasting it. Tastes kind of bad. Okay. You're gonna pour some, just a little.
Y cocina. Okay. Es mi favorito. Mira, chicos.
Okay, pour more salt, cause
Ya tiene comida.
I don't think nothing is coming out. I can't. Oops, I almost jumped it.
Este también.
Okay, now I see it. I think kind of smell bad. But still going to work. I like pop every single time when somebody makes slime. And then there are some weird recipes too. I've been seeing one that they say that you have to put some banana on. I'm like, for what banana? I'm like, furry. So I already mixed it, and then you're going to put it in your freezer for some hours or some minutes. You will have to go check and check and check and check and check. So the next recipe is going to be, so as you can see, my little sister not with me right now. She's over there, and you're gonna need some hand soap. I just pour some because I don't want to bring the whole bottle, and Mama will be like, "Girl, don't bring the whole bottle. Don't use the whole bottle." But then you're gonna toothpaste. I'm like, and then you're going to need it. Oh heck no! You're gonna put some salt. Okay. And then you can have another spoon. Well, I just, wash it over, guys. Well, I actually recommend you a soap that is like gelatin that is kind of like wiggle. I'm just kidding. Well, I should tell you guys to use a soap that, it is soap that it's probably how you call that it's like look like gelatin, but it's actually not gelatin. So for me, it's okay, guys. It's not gelatin. So then when you have it, it's like already wiggle. You're going to pour, if you have some, your beans. I'm gonna pour some because I already have some, so just pour some. I'll be like either or not. If you want to, you can. If you don't, you mean? I'm just kidding. Just joking, guys. You guys are not mean. Well, some of you are. They are. It's so cool. And one more strip. And this one will go to the freezer too.
Pero la salsa te la comiste, mija,
And then when you put your, well, you already have this. So then I'm just eating sour punch, guys. And the next recipe, is going to be, some toothpaste. And some salt. They told me that she left me by the water fountain. They told me that what the heck is this? Let's go. I'm just gonna use the other one because it's going to take so long. The little thingy. Okay. I think that's kind of enough.
Excuse me? Oh my God. I seem to recall giving a specific order that he may be burned, tortured, torn, twisted, in whatever way that you deem necessary. But I clearly remember that I did not want him to be killed.
Yeah.
In fact, did I not forbid it? Come on. What am I to do with the dead man? It's your fault. He is their leader. And if he not, I'm dead. Sel. What do you have in mind?
Excuse me.
Sel. Ya es hora, ¿eh?
No.
Ya es hora de ir a dormir.
No,
¿Eh?
it's not.
No, sí es. Ya son las 10.
So then we can put it. So guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.